Alright, welcome to another MrCross.org training tutorial video. Today we're going to do kind of a more advanced Excel function. We're going to actually use an if statement to determine the difference between two values and then return some sort of result for us. So if something is, then what's going to happen is kind of what we're trying to do. So we're going to start with, we've got these 5K run times here. And we have a girls column and a boys column. And we're going to determine whether the boy or the girl was faster. And that's what we're going to do. So we're going to start by highlighting a cell. And then we're going to start our formula with equal sign like we always do. And then we're going to do if. Now the cool thing about this, the if statement is actually not real difficult. It's the syntax is the hardest part that you have to actually get. And the syntax is pretty easy. It's going to be if. And then you're going to start with your parentheses, just like you would any other thing. And then it's going to give you a little hint here. It's going to say the logical test. That would be the is it equal to, is it greater than, is it less than kind of a thing. And then you're going to give a comma, what value is it true, then comma, what value if it's false, and then you're going to end your quotes. So in this case we're going to say if C2, and we're going to say is less than G2. And then if that's true, so if the boys' time is less than the girls' time, the boys' time is greater than the girls' time, we're going to say, comma, we're going to put our quotes, the boy was faster. And then, notice I put quotes, by the way, because I'm doing text. If I wanted to return a value, I would not use the quotes, but the quotes identify to the computer that I'm returning some sort of a character or a text value. And I'm going to say comma, and I'm going to say, now I'm doing the value if it's false, the girl was faster. End my quotes, and then I'm going to end my parentheses. So basically this is it. So I have the equals if. I have my bracket, then I go C2 less than G2, comma, this is the true value, comma, this is if it's false. We're going to hit enter and see what happens. Perfect, exactly what I wanted. It says the boy was faster. Let's go ahead and use our fill handle, and let's just drag this down the rest of the way. And it looks like in this race, race number 4, the girl was faster, and that was the one where the girl actually outran the boy. And that is done by this simple if statement. We're going to do a lot more with if statements and some of these decision-making skills in Excel later, but I hope that helped you out, and keep visiting MrCross.org for some more training tutorials.